everybody, this is Jerry Keysweater from Holly Kia TV. Thank you for joining us for another walk-around video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 2020 Kia Rio 5-door. Now, the 5-door is the hatchback version of Kia's popular Rio subcompact sedan, and while the sedan is offered in two trim levels, an LX and an S, the hatchback is only available in the S trim level. What I want to do with you today is walk you around the exterior of the car, point out the exterior features, then we'll move to the inside and I will point out the interior features of this very nice looking Rio hatchback. The Kia Rio hatchback is powered by Kia's 1.6 liter multi-point injection engine. This engine is coupled to a 6-speed intelligent variable transmission. At the front of the Kia Rio 5-door hatchback, of course, you're going to notice Kia's signature tiger nose grille, and the S trim features standard halogen headlamps. There is an available technology package which includes LED headlights as well as LED positioning markers. The Rio's trunk can be accessed via a button press on the key fob or simply pressing the release located under the Kia logo. Once the hatch is open, you'll see it's an expansive opening with a low deck, making it easier to load and unload cargo. A compact spare tire and jack kit is located just under the floor of the trunk. Moving into the Kia Rio, give you a look at the driver's door. Along here, of course, you have your power window controls, power door locks, as well as the controls for the power mirrors. Here is your speaker. There are a total of 6 speakers in this car, including 2 tweeters. There is a beverage pocket in the driver's and passenger's door, as well as a map pocket located along the bottom edge of the door. I'll move around and give you a look at the interior space of the car, the driver's seat, along with your multi-position seat adjustments. Moving from left to right across the dash, down here you will see your adjustments for the illumination of the instrument cluster, the button for turning on and off traction control. On the left side of the steering wheel, we have our audio controls as well as controls for utilizing the voice commands using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is standard on the Rio hatchback. On the right-hand side, we have our cruise control buttons, the trip reset buttons, the instrumentation display. Windshield wiper controls are just to the back, and the steering wheel in the Kia Rio is a tilting steering wheel, so you can adjust that to your preferred setting. Moving on across the dash, you'll see there's a nice metallic finish on the dash. We'll take a look at the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. We have the radio system that features AM and FM bands. The technology edition also includes Sirius XM. Moving back to the home screen, you'll see Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included in this car. I'm going to shift the car into reverse. Backup camera offers dynamic guides for helping you ease in and out of your parking space. Moving down along the center of the dash, we have the temperature control for the HVAC system, fan speed, as well as vents you would like the air to come out of. Rear defrosters. Down at the bottom here, you'll find auxiliary inputs, USB, and a 12-volt charger. This USB connection is where you would connect your phone to use to either charge your phone or to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Moving back, take a look at the shifter. There is a sport mode, a little bit more of a sporty feel as you drive. The 6-speed automatic transmission features Sportmatic, so you can bump over and cycle through the 6 speeds of the Rio. Moving back a little bit further, you'll find dual cup holders between the driver and passenger seat, as well as a cubby between the driver and passenger seat for storage. And one of the nice things that I find anyway is this padded armrest slides back and forth, and it's nice and soft for your elbow. Take a look across the dash again. Have vents for your passenger side, and there is your glove box. Let's take a look in the back seat of the Rio 5 hatchback. Again, power window controls, a beverage holder, take a look across the back seat. A little bit hard to see, the sun's going down awfully early, but we have a 60-40 split, and there are 3 child seat tethers on the back of these seats. We'll move in, and you can see the center console also offers a USB charging outlet. And taking a look from the back seat at the nicely laid out Kia Rio hatchback. We hope you enjoyed our walk around of the 2020 Kia Rio 5-door hatchback. If you'd like to find out more about this car or any of the Kias that we sell, visit us online at www.hollykia.com. Until next time, have a great day.